Halifax, and this place I think is amazing. We've got a gorgeous little butcher, a little tiny supermarket and post office, a pharmacy, doctors, home brew and tackle shop, an amazing pub. What more could you possibly want? Don't need to go to town for anything. We're off to go glamping. There's the van there behind us all hooked up. We're going to go to a little national park called Broadwater, meeting up some friends, and the weather is just amazing. Right now, really, we should be out in the boat, but we don't own a boat, so that kind of sucks. It doesn't really matter as long as we get out there and have a bit of fun and enjoy the outdoors. So Lee's going into our butcher now to buy some rib fillet for dinner, and he's got his eyes on something on the chalkboard. What did he see? Oh, there we go. There's the sign. Today only, garlic pork chop, $6.99 a kilo. You reckon there'll be bonza on the barbecue?
Yeah, because they have the best fish and chip in town. You know what I mean? It was always,
hey, good.
Should I be going through Ingham? We're going to go the back way.
You're the one driving?
I think we'll just go this way.
Okay. It said 30 k's to Ingham or 30 k's to Ingham, so, and you're basically at Ingham when you turn off to get there, so it's up to you.
But it all comes down to what you wanna believe. One smile and you had planted a seed. Oh, now I don't need to dream away. Hey, hey. Once upon a time, I was searching the sky. Once upon a time, for the cloud number 9. Once upon a time, till you came around. Now I'm yours, and you are mine.
Well, I'm doing it, Kim. Hey, Danny, do you know how to do time lapse?
I used to be alone, I never really cared, so what now? I used to shrug my shoulders, wouldn't even want to know how.
The boys were being cheeky and decided it would be funny to put out Kim's fire. Now Kim was onto them and knew that they had put her fire out. However, I didn't believe that they would be so naughty and do such a thing. It was rather funny.
Once upon a time, I was searching the sky. Once upon a time, for the cloud number 9. Once upon a time.
Come on, let's go. Kenny Loggins is playing. How do you think of this one? What do you reckon?
Turn that around.
You've got such a nice panic in the
I don't like cameras. Lee! Oh, you're on there.
I can hold it for if you want.
Oh, so good. I think I've...
Tiptoe through the tulips.
Oh, is that a monkey in a tree?
I remember coming here with the boys.
Oh, we have a monkey up the tree.
Do you remember when you came here last time, Keiran?
No,
Not a clue.
You were like this big.
How big?
How can you not remember?
This big.
That big.
We have a competition. Bradley will win. Oh, like he's fiddling, he's impacting his what do we call this?
Aerodynamics.
Alright, gotta make sure it's perfect. Okay, ready?
Yep.
Set, go. Oh!
That's almost a tie.
Yeah, no, he won by 2 meters
Yeah.
still.
No, yours is yellow one.
That's almost a tie.
Oh,
Make him do a flip.
Lee!
Oh, that's terrible. You make a terrible pilot. Yeah, who told you they were $15?
Oh, big W, but they
Really?
don't sell them. Maybe they're 30 or something.
Yeah, I think there might be more than that.
You gotta go.
Oh, that was a good one.
Oh, that's a good one. Oh, clipped it. Shit, my grip. He's improved the aerodynamics.
Maybe you just can't fly it, Denim.
Throw it straight up in the air. 45-degree angle. That didn't work.
That was impressive, Bradley.
Yeah.
45, you reckon?
Yeah, but real strong peg. No, I got it to do a double loop.
Let's go to Bailey's off you for dessert.
Selfie mode.
That'd be nice around the fire.
These are big steaks. Hope you guys are hungry.
I am.
Oh,
Good shot.
yeah.
These ones you can
Show me your potatoes, Kim.
Come on, have a look, Ben.
Oh, what happened to our fire? You killed it.
No, their coals are still there. Look, if we had fire, the potatoes would die.
Sure.
They would. We'll set the fire up again in a minute.
Oh, nice. That looks good.
They will be good.
Yeah, these are shit gliders. Let's get the really good ones.
Kieran saw he bought them. Yeah. To find this plane that didn't exist.
You should have gone to Toy World.
I went all the way into Willows. I was like, alright, I've got to go all the way into Willows. Get this plane for Mum and Dad.
No, hey, don't include me in it, mate. I was like, do not buy a plane.
I'm going to go into Willows, get this plane for Mum.
Yeah,
go in there, I got these little shitty little green planes.
I don't think you looked hard enough.
And I even asked, I said, hey, do you have these planes that are on your website right here on my phone that says you have them? Like, we've never seen them in our lives. Okay. They said the only planes we got are these little things right here. I was like,
Little crappy planes, I would never buy them.
I
But
believe
no.
ya.
Smile. Leave. That's gonna face it.
I hope so.
You mastered that yet, Bradley? Who stuffed it?
That's a bucket of shit.
Yeah.
My sunglasses. I literally just had them in my hand.
The ones
Who the hell? There, on the butter.
Shut up, Keiran.
What's going on over there, Cam? Pick up.
Nice little fire.
Yeah.
according to the packet, it's copper sulfate.
Oh, okay.
Copper might do.
So is it just
Is it
green?
working yet, Kim, or
Yeah, I
what?
can see green.
Yeah, I can see green.
Put on your credit card. $100 bill coming
We
up.
don't have a credit card.
I wish we didn't.
Yeah,
Well, we said we were going to get rid of ours.
No, we didn't.
So we're going for a swim?
Fuck that. I was thinking about it this morning. Like, I'm freezing. It's not working now. It must be warming up a bit. Last night I was so cold. I was awake all night till 4. It's freezing. Ooh. Oh, there it is. It's not supposed to get cold like that in North Queensland. No, 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 no. Okay, you might be right. See you, mate. Brecky's over and done with now. Time to pack up and head home. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more, subscribe, and we'll see you next time.